How long do you waste in the shower after a brutal workout? Be honest. 10 minutes? 15 minutes? You're literally burning daylight under that stream. Most people just stand there staring into space, expecting the water to do all the work. I chopped my shower time in half and somehow ended up cleaner than ever. Here is how you can level up your post-gym routine starting today. After lifting or cardio, your skin is a trap for sweat, excess oil, and bacteria. If you jump straight into the shower without a plan, you're doing it in the wrong order. You stand under the stream forever, wasting precious morning minutes without cleaning efficiently. That's literally money and time washing straight down the drain. Stop drowning your productivity before your day even starts. It turns out, 4 simple tweaks changed everything for me. Here are 4 post-workout hacks to cut your shower time in half. These steps are so simple, you'll wonder why you weren't doing them all along. Hack number 1. Do a quick pre-clean before you even turn on the faucet. Do not just step straight into the water dripping wet with workout sweat. Take 10 seconds to wipe off the heavy surface sweat with a dry towel first. Ditch that damp workout gear immediately so dirty moisture doesn't soak back in. By stripping away the heavy layer of grime beforehand, your actual water time won't be wasted trying to wash off thick layers of sweat. It takes 10 seconds on the outside, but saves 2 full minutes inside. Hack number 2, master the golden rule, wet off, soap on. Step 1, get completely wet in just 10 to 15 seconds. Step 2, turn the water off. Yes, turn it off completely. Step 3, scrub and lather up your body without water washing away your soap instantly. You get maximum soap coverage in half the time without fighting running water. Step 4, turn the water back on and rinse everything away in one quick burst. 90% of people leave the water running the entire time. That habit alone wastes 3 to 5 full minutes every single shower. Hack number 3, follow a strict top-down cleaning sequence. Start with hair, move to shoulders, then body, and finish with feet. Head, shoulders, torso, legs never wash randomly. When you clean from top to bottom, gravity works with you, taking the suds down automatically. No more re-washing spots you accidentally rinsed off too early. When your brain doesn't have to pause and decide what to wash next, speed doubles. Hack number 4, switch to an all-in-one multifunctional product. You do not need an 8-step skincare routine inside a post-gym shower. Grab a high-quality shampoo and body wash combo. Fewer bottles means fewer steps, which directly translates to less wasted time. Keep it fast, keep it simple, and get out. I went from spending 12 sluggish minutes in the shower down to just 6. No rushing, no leftover sweat, just maximum efficiency. You save 6 extra minutes every single day. That's over 30 hours a year. If you hit the gym regularly, put just one of these hacks into practice today. Which hack are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and follow for more effortless life hacks.